Is it one? Okay, first I'm going to take these little gems, put a little glue on them. Just glue it on the base of my birdhouse.
Not a really big fish, but it does have a lot of personality. This is perfect. That's been to believe to help the divers catch the fish. Best time to collect them is actually as the sun is going down. They kind of come up, the divers don't have to go so deep to get them. Are they jumpers? Is that why they're in?
Run your tip right off the edge of your thing, so you don't get all that. You can take that off after.
We can keep them in cups so they're not going to fight with each other and prepare up their fish.
There you go. And I vary them dark than a lighter color so that they look kind of uniform. Yeah. Very pretty. Look at that. I'll put a white one on the top. There. I'll show the front of the birdhouse. Very cool. Actually, I'm going to do the leaves first. Just a little towards the base, with the base of the leaf. There we go. Do another one that comes out this way. Oh. There we go. I can go back and get the glue because that will dry, and then I can just pick it off. It'll be easier to do when it's dry. And I have some porcelain roses I'm going to accent the white gem with.
The acrylic walls, coral insert, and overflows for Rugged Ridge are complete. The crew will lower the wall over the insert and glue the acrylic.